In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a canned response in Freshdesk. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand how easy it is to make changes to your existing canned responses. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the admin section within Freshdesk. It's one of the core areas in Freshdesk where you can fine-tune various settings to suit your organizational needs. Once you're in the admin area, the next place to head to is under the heading of Agent Productivity. This section encompasses tools designed to help your agents work more efficiently, and canned responses are a key part of that. Now, look for the Canned Responses option. This is your go-to spot for managing all those pre-written replies that save you countless hours in responding to common queries. Canned responses are designed to provide swift and consistent communication, serving as a backbone for timely customer support. Once you're in the Canned Responses section, you'll see a list of all the canned responses that are currently set up in your system. These could range from brief acknowledgments to detailed procedural guides. Now, it's time to find the specific canned response you wish to edit. You can scroll through the listed options until you locate the one you're looking for. Being familiar with the title or keywords of the canned response can make this process quicker. After identifying the response you want to tweak, take a look to the right of it and you'll spot a pencil icon. This icon is your ticket to editing the response. Click on it and you'll be transported to an editing environment where you can now make your desired changes. This could include updating the content to reflect new information or rephrasing the message for improved clarity or tone. Once you've adjusted the text to your satisfaction, don't forget to hit that Save button. It's imperative to click Save to ensure all your changes are locked in and the updated version is what's accessible moving forward. Regarding permissions, it's crucial to know who can edit what. In Freshdesk, agents have specific rights. They can edit the canned responses they have personally created. So, if you're an agent trying to update a response that was originally authored by someone else, you might not have the ability to do so. It's always a good idea to double-check your permissions or consult with an admin if you encounter any roadblocks. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit a canned response in Freshdesk. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your team's responses are always accurate and up-to-date, providing the best possible experience for your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.